Hi everyone! 皆さんこんにちは。
What are we going to do today?
We're going to get a toy! I am going to introduce the phrase I'm into 今日は I'm into っていうフレーズを紹介します。 For example 例えば I'm into buying and selling stuff.
So where do you buy and sell stuff? どうやって物を売ったり買ったりするの？ On Nextdoor and Facebook, right?
Yes.
いろんなアプリ、Nextdoor と Facebook のアプリを使って物を売ったり買ったりしてます。What are the things that we've sold? 最近何売った？ Our big collection of unused beads and also what else? Our trash can?
Trash can.
From now, what are we going to do?
We're going to get a toy!
Yes. Yay! This toy is free.
Yay!
So this toy we're going to get from someone who posted on Facebook. And can you read? なんて書いてある？
Textbook stuff. Needs batteries. Take whole box, please. Porch pickup.
Porch pickup. What does porch pickup mean?
Get it from the door?
The person is going to put the thing outside their front door and just leave it there. And we can just go pick it up. だいたいその玄関の前のところに porch っていうのは玄関の前のところのことなんですけど、そこのところに置いとくから好きな時にピックアップ取りに来ていいですよっていうことです。When you want something that somebody posted, you either make a comment or you send them a direct message. So for this post, I said, my kids would love these. Please let me know if still available. Thanks. I got a message and she told me her address, and so now we're gonna go pick up the toy.
Let's go! 着きました。
We're here. Okay, Rena, can you go pick it up?
Yes!
You can just grab the whole thing. そのまんま。
音がした。
Oh, なんか it's a stadium. We're playing with our new toy. It's fun. Is it a lot of fun?
Yes!
Yes. It's sort of like a cockroach. ゴキブリみたい。Oh, there it goes. One light. Going away. It's running away. Oh, it's going in circles. くるくる回ってるよ。
追いついた追いついた。気持ち悪い。